I've been involved with culture for ages. We had a group before this one called the Tumeke. It was for all the old people in Horetapai Health Services. And then we formed this group here, Ngā Pakeke o Kapiti. And that brought this whanaungatanga, kotahitanga, manakitanga, all those, and the wairuatanga within this area. It's something that keeps us going. It's really, really important. It's the wairua, the Māori of it, and everything that's involved with kapahaka. You've got to have that ihi inside of you, and that's what it's all about to me. When COVID came last year, my body stopped. I was saying to my wife, this is great. I'm 11 o'clock, I'm still in my pajamas, there's no one ringing. But what it was doing, my body was shutting down, and I ended up in hospital. Then when this all started again, I'm picked up again. When you look at me now, I look about 20 years old. And, it means a lot to me. It means a lot to all of these people here too, yeah.
He maha nā akorana kei roto hoki moku. Te reo Māori, nā tūmomo waiata, o nā kaumātua, no reira waimaria ki ahau. Te whiwhi tēnei tūranga miki. A heo ōrana kei roto I te ropu nei moku, mo tōku taha wairua, tōku taha hinengaro, tōku taha whanaungatanga me ki. Kua whai ora ngā hau I roto I te ropu. Tai au te rongo I te wairua, a koro ngā kuima I nā wā kei te ako a hau I rā waiata, e rā tūmomo rangi, no te ao kōhatu e tahi. Ka tino rata taku nā kau te whai I te rā huarahi. He oranga moku, a tinana nei, a wairua nei, a hinenaro nei.
I'm a Pākehā with a Scottish mother, but I've had the privilege of quite a few encounters with the Māori world through my life. And I love singing. Singing is such a healing thing. And singing in Māori is very beautiful, and singing in groups is good for people. So it's good for me to be part of a group. With the Waiata Māori, well, it brings back memories for me. Work that I did in Cannons Creek with a rōpū down there, where we sang every day. That was our therapy. We would come out from Porirua Hospital. So we saw there the sort of therapeutic effects of just singing. And so, yeah, I love it. Basically, and I feel connected with the others. We know each other well. It's just a great whakawhanaungatanga. It's such an opportunity to make relationships and contribute, and it's not hard. It just takes a bit of time, a bit of patience, and it's beautiful.
Karangamai ra, tai kura ki runga, tai kura ki raro, tai kura ki rota, tai kura ki wa'a, e tai kura maaki mo tata kata, karangamai, mi imai ra.
Oti hei Māori ora, reira te rōpū ngā Pākeke o Kapiti ko tau mai tēnei wā. No reira ka mihi nui rā hau kia I o machu te kore. Nāna te ao I whakatina hia, ko rangi nui kei ringo ko papatue nuku kei raro. No reira tēnā koutou, tēnā rā tātou katoa. Tora, wha. Matatanga kōiro, matua te kore. Rute ki matatanga kōiro, matua te kore. Ko koe io, matua te kore. Ko koe io. Taura e rangai tua maha, kohi ngā tuki te mara te pakara, ko reira moi mai, moi mai, moi mai rā koutou, ki te
So what did you think of our performance, love?
I loved it. I loved how you guys embraced the culture and how you've put so much effort into performing with us.
Kia ora. We've always been involved with the area and the performed a few times at the Papa for Kaumātua Kapahaka every Matariki. So it's been something we've done for many years because we love it. He tokorero me Matariki.
For me, Matariki is spending time with family, doing kapaka, learning new waita, sharing kai, and just remembering what has happened throughout the year.
It's something that I have learnt just recently too over the last 5 years, what Matariki really is, because I never ever knew what Matariki meant, and it's just embrace it now. It's just so beautiful though to learn of the days gone that we never knew about in our days.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing kapahaka?
I've been doing kapaka for 10 years. So I started in primary school.
Wow.
And now I'm still doing kapaka. And we just went to regionals. And we placed second in the Motiatia.
Kia pai. Well, as you know, I'm getting on in age-wise, and I've done it from when I was probably about 40 years old, and I'm still doing it now. So, you know, you've got a future, great future in front of you, dear. So keep going.
Yeah, for me, it's important to keep doing kabaka, to keep our culture alive and still learning every day about our language and kabaka. Yeah.
Oh. Tēnā koutou.